Okay, so this is the detox I'm gonna be doing. I guess I'll do it over the weekend. It's by Juiced. Here are the instructions. And this is how everything's shipped. So I was thinking it would come frozen, but it's cool because I hadn't made room to keep a bunch of juices frozen like in the freezer. So this works. The juices do feel a little bit less than chilled, which I'm a little concerned about. This sat out and it's hot today. I'm not sure how long it's been there. Maybe a few hours, because like I kept checking the delivery status. But anyway, let's just take a quick look at the juices. So this is one type. And then another. Another. I think these are all the same in that section. We have invincibility. So even with these cold packs, it didn't stay very, ooh, sorry, I slipped. It didn't stay very cold. It's more invincibility. I would keep an eye on the shipment, just so you can bring it in as quickly as possible. Another one, Bionic Glow. And then, what's this? Eternal Life. So that's the selection we're choosing from. And this is how we do the detox. So we choose two, does it tell us what type? Yes, it tells us the type of juice. So we choose, trying to get it to focus, the Bionic Glow and the Eternal Life for breakfast. Two more juices, the Super Destroyer and Invincibility for lunch. I'm trying to read this. Super Defense and Lean and Clean for dinner. And anytime we can have a, Protective Armor juice. So that's one. I don't think I pulled that one out. But there are some that have like more. So, yeah. So maybe that's the, protective juice that has more bottles than the others. But, so this is the little note they send, the postcard thingy. They tell you how to prepare, which today I have not had, I had some fruit and I've had water. I haven't even had much food because I was, I thought I was going to get this in the morning and could start it like I did with the Chef V juice detox that I reviewed earlier, a couple weeks ago. It tells you what to do during the detox. So you can have food to curb hunger, but it has to be broth or vegetable sticks, or you can do raw almonds. That's different than other cleanses, other juice detoxes I've done. Why is my finger there? Okay. And then after, it tells you how to go back to a healthy diet, or, you know, transition into a healthy diet after the detox, with starting with broths, soups, smoothies, raw juice, and no processed foods. So, okay, I'm going to be doing this over the next 3 days, I think, and I will let you know how it goes. So, I will see you in the next video. I will probably post updates, maybe on Instagram, maybe on YouTube. But yeah, I'll be letting you guys know how it's going. So until then, stay safe, stay clean, stay organized. I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye now.